Maintaining classic web servers and have a CGI script file? This is a server-side script for dynamic web content generation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these common gateway interface script files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific CGI application fails. More details to follow. A CGI file is a script executed by a web server to generate dynamic web content. Users encounter these files when interacting with older or specific web applications. The user intent is typically either to execute the script on a server or, more commonly for developers, to open and edit the source code. A CGI file is a plain text file containing source code in a scripting language like Perl, Python, or a shell script. It's designed to be interpreted and executed by the server's CGI engine. The file must have executable permissions and often starts with a shebang line, e.g. -usr bin Perl, to specify the interpreter. For comprehensive file management, CGI relies on Visual Studio Code developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows shows the plain text, while interpreting commands requires a scripting framework. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your CGI file and select Open with Test Visual Studio Code if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you are still having trouble opening the CGI file, do not worry. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your CGI file is not opening. First, opening in code editor. Open the CGI file in any text editor or IDE like VS Code, Sublime Text, or Vim. The plain text source code displays based on the script's language, enabling editing and debugging. Most CGI scripts are written in Perl, Python, or shell languages with corresponding syntax highlighting available. Next, configuring web server. Configure your web server like Apache or Nginx with CGI execution support. In Apache, enable modular CGI or modular CGI and configure the CGI bin directory or script alias directive. Ensure the CGI script has executable permissions, chmod +x, and proper shebang line specifying the interpreter. Finally, migrating to modern frameworks. Replace CGI scripts with modern web frameworks like Flask, Django Express, or Ruby on Rails. These frameworks provide better performance, security, and maintainability than classic CGI. Rewrite functionality using the new framework conventions for improved scalability and current development practices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.